Hey, welcome to Kasauli.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress.
So I finally decided to come to Kasauli with my family on the weekend. Kasauli is roughly 280 kilometers from Delhi and it took me around 5 to 6 hours to reach Kasauli by car. You can also come to Kasauli by train. However, Kasauli doesn't have a railway station of its own, so you'll have to get off at Kalka station, which is nearly 40 kilometers before Kasauli. So I preferred coming here by car. I booked this beautiful property through AirBnb. It is situated on Kasauli-Kanda Road and it's 5 kilometers before Kasauli. I booked this place because it is quite secluded and away from the hustle bustle of the main Kasauli market. This property has 3 floors and I booked an entire floor with 2 bedrooms. Both the bedrooms have amazing view. I will also put the link of the BNB in the description box. We reached Kasauli at 3 p.m. After resting for an hour, we went straight for the sunset point. The sunset point is a 2-kilometer steep trek, but it's worth visiting as the view is breathtaking. The sunset point is situated in the army area, so you'll have to be a little cautious while taking pictures. After trekking for nearly 30 minutes, we finally reached the sunset point. Here are some shots from my visit to the sunset point. After the sunset point, we went to the Christ Church Kasauli, which was built in 1844. We clicked some pictures and also lit some candles in the church. After that, we headed straight to the Kasauli Mall Road and had our dinner at the famous Mom's Kitchen. While you're there, chicken momos are a must try. Day 2. On the second day of our trip, we decided to go to Shimla, which is roughly 70 kilometers from Kasauli and took us 2 hours to reach there. While at Shimla, we decided to go to the Unexplored Chadwick Waterfall. We trekked on a steep path for about 1 kilometer to reach the beautiful Unexplored Waterfall. The trek started at a secluded place, but it's quite adventurous. If you are an adventurous person, you will definitely going to love it there. Make sure you also carry a water bottle with you. To see some amazing pictures from my visit to the waterfall, please check my Instagram profile. After the waterfall, we went to the famous Shimla Mall Road. We walked around the Mall Road, bought some local stuff and had some amazing local food there. So Kasauli is a perfect weekend getaway location. If you have any query, please feel free to drop a comment and also check my Instagram profile for some amazing pictures from my trip.